lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to run PHP program inside Sublime Text. So if I go on this command prompt and if I write there PHP minus minus version, then you can see PHP 8.34 version is there. So first you need to download and install the PHP. Now the next is, let's go on this Sublime Text. They're going to print or here this is ready-made code I have. Now paste this one, Control S to save. So this file that I'm going to save on this desktop, let's give meaningful name first.php. Now you can see the file that saved there, first.php. Now the next is here, let's go on this tools, then build system, click on this new build system. So at this location here, let's copy and paste there. This place you need to give the correct file location of the PHP executor file. So here you can see this is PHP and here you can see PHP executor file is there. PHP. Now let's copy this location and there you need to paste that, and here PHP executor file is there, so you need to also include php docs.exe, and now you need to save. Control S to save. Let's give here the name PHP and here Sublime build, so dot Sublime minus build. Now the next is click on this save. So this saved there. After that, the thing is, let's run this code. Let's go on this build. Click here. First, you need to select PHP that's come there. You need to select PHP and click on this build. So here you can see hello world that's displaying. Now the next is where I'm going to run different codes. So let's add two number and Control A, Control V. Now the next is, after saving this one, you need to click on this build. Then you can see the sum of 10 and 20 is 38, so display. So this is the most simplest way we can run PHP code inside Sublime Text. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.